Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade blueberry syrup with just 3 ingredients. This homemade blueberry syrup is so delicious and it's perfect for making iced blueberry lattes, which we are currently obsessed with in my house right now. And you can use this homemade blueberry syrup for making the best iced blueberry latte. You can also use it for drizzling on top of waffles, pancakes, or even in addition to desserts like buttercream frosting or on top of cheesecakes. And so we're starting out with just 2 ingredients, organic blueberries and cane sugar. And now I'm just using equal parts of blueberries and cane sugar. So I have 1 cup of blueberries and 1 cup of cane sugar. So I'm using frozen blueberries today. You can use fresh or frozen blueberries for this, either works. We're gonna add this 1 cup of blueberries into a small pot. And then since we're doing equal parts of blueberries and cane sugar, I also have 1 cup of organic cane sugar. And then last I'm adding 1 cup of water. And now I'm gonna put this mixture over low to medium heat and we're gonna stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. As soon as the sugar is dissolved, you wanna turn the heat up to medium-high and then we're gonna boil it for just a few minutes until this starts to thicken. Once the blueberry syrup has thickened and the blueberries are nice and soft, we're gonna add this to a blender. So now we're going to blend this up on high until no traces of blueberry skin or whole blueberries remain. And so some people will tell you to just strain off the blueberry juice at this time and throw away the blueberries. I don't like to do that because I like enjoying the whole part of the blueberry because there's still nutrients in those blueberries and it's gonna give this blueberry syrup more flavor. Once the blueberries are completely combined and there's no pieces of fruit or skin, then we just have one last step. We're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and this is gonna help preserve this just a little bit. And you guys can use lemon juice from a bottle like I'm doing here, or you can use fresh lemon juice, either works. Then go ahead and blend this up just for a minute to combine the lemon juice. Now you have homemade blueberry syrup. And now you have a delicious homemade blueberry syrup with just 3 ingredients. You guys can use this homemade blueberry syrup on top of waffles, pancakes, you can use it in iced coffee, you can use it in milkshakes, add it to homemade ice cream, you can also use it on top of cheesecakes or in buttercream frostings. There are so many ways to use this delicious blueberry syrup. And this is so much better than store-bought. You guys wanna make sure that you store this homemade blueberry syrup in the fridge. It'll last for about a week or 2. I'm off to make a latte. If you guys want more organic recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. Oh my gosh, this is so much better than any coffee shop. You guys have to make this.